Good evening, all. This is Pitambaran Achyutan Pisharodi from PDM Advisors Private Limited. So let us look at the Nifty, Bank Nifty, and USDINR support and resistance on a daily time frame. So this is a USDINR. So you can clearly see that all the supports are below the last traded price. This indicates that there is no resistance for USDINR and it can continue to move up higher and higher. But since these two candles have on particularly on 22nd there was a move of 90 paisa, and on today it had moved up by 65 paisa. So there is a probability that there may be some consolidation in the coming days, but we can be only sure of it if the market opens. We cannot be 100% sure that it will be consolidating, but the probability is there that the script may get consolidated at this level. Now, if you look at a weekly chart also, there is no support. You can see that all the supports are below, and if you convert this into a monthly chart also, it is showing the same way that there is no resistance in all the time frames, daily, weekly, and monthly. So one has to be cautious if you are planning to sell USD If you are planning to go long, it's a very good opportunity for you to get good returns. Now, if you see your Nifty daily chart, you can see that it has just come down to 16,978. That is hardly 40 points away from your support level. So we had discussed earlier also that if the market tanks, it will try to take a support here, and if this level is breached, then you can definitely see 16,549 in the few days. And if support is not taken at this level, then it will be very bad for Nifty. Then you can assume that it can fall another 500 to 1000 points. So it is important that Nifty takes support either at 16,938 or at 16,549. If you look at Bank Nifty has breached two levels of resistance now. Initially, Bank Nifty had six supports. Now you can see that there are two resistance for Bank Nifty. One is at 43,457 and the other is at 40,393. The nearest support is 737,935, which is approximately, you can say, 700 points down. So if the market tanks 700 points, there is a chance that it will take a support here and then bounce back. If this level is breached, then the next support is at 36,790, and the next support is at 35,645, and the last support is at 34,500. So overall, the market looks bearish in Nifty as well as in Bank Nifty. So whenever you are planning to go long, keep a strict stop loss so that you won't find yourself on the wrong side of the boat. Now, if I look at the price action in 5 minutes in case of your Nifty, you can see that 17,725, and the target would be 150. Now if you see here 725, not 575. 425. Levels have to be there properly. Now if you see here, the market opened here with a big candle and then it started bouncing up. So at 17,125 we would have gone long. A stop loss would have been hit 17,125. So here only the stop loss would have been hit on the first candle itself because the low made is 17,072. So buy in the same candle, stop loss, sell, again stop loss, and then again stop loss. So three stop losses would have been hit. Then we would have sold. The market came to this blue line, but it did not reach our target, and again a stop loss was hit. This was the fourth stop loss, and again here one more stop loss was hit. So you can see here that five stop losses, here one stop loss, here two stop losses, and here uh, two, three, four, five. Sorry, here only one stop loss was hit, and here you have four stop losses. So totally we had five stop losses, and then the last trade gave us approximately closed at 16,984 after we have sold it for 17,050. So we had five stop losses and one last trade gave us few points. In the case of Bank Nifty, if you see the levels, Bank Nifty level would have been 38,225. 38,225 and the target would be 350 points. So on this 5-minute chart, you can see that the market gave a first sell signal at 875. Then there a stop loss was hit. Then again the market we would have gone long. Again stop loss was hit. Then we would have got a target. Again we would have sold. A stop loss was hit. Again we would have got a target. Then again one, two, three stop losses, and then we would have sold, and then we would have closed at around 38,535, very near to our target. So here you can see we got two targets and the third one was very close, and we had three stop losses here and two stop losses here, one stop loss here. So totally we had six stop losses, three targets. So if you look into the uh, details, trade details, you can see that you have five stop losses in case of Nifty and one closed with 90 points gain, so giving us a net loss of 159 points or 8,000 rupees loss. Whereas in Bank Nifty we had nine trades, six stop losses, two targets, and one was closed very near to the target of 340 points. So totally we got approximately 740 points or 18,500 rupees profit in Bank Nifty. If you subtract this loss, then your net profit would have been 10,505 rupees. So you can see that on a good narrow range also, if the market moves within our range, we can get three targets, because if you see here, the market has moved within this 350 points only, but we got two full target and one target missed by 10 rupees. So it is the basic problem is that if the line doesn't touch us and only stop losses are being hit, then you will be ending in a loss. But if this market moves within this border, and even if you get two targets, you will not end up in loss. This is how we are trading. But when we try to trade in two scripts on a regular basis, it becomes very difficult for us to execute the trade. So we are trying to automate this into our system, and once it is being properly tested, we will inform you that you can use this particular strategy in automation mode. It will take around some few days for us to test code and back test it whether it is working properly, and once it is finalized we will let you know. I hope you liked watching this video, and if you feel that there is some content in this video, then please do share with your friends and relatives so that they can also get a support for trading simple strategies. I would also like to inform you that I am not a SEBI registered analyst, and I am trying to help fellow traders with simple trading strategies. Thank you for watching.